Welcome to a brief tutorial on how to run advanced searches in EBSCOhost databases like the MLA International Bibliography. This tutorial is aimed at undergraduate students or beginning researchers that are familiar with Google, Bing, and other search engines, but haven't used databases much. Your first step is always going to be making sure you have advanced search selected under your search bars. Once that's true, you can enter your search terms into the search bars. Make sure to separate any differing ideas into the different search bars. For our search, we're going to be looking at Walt Whitman. We also have our Boolean operator, which is basically just a way to tell your database more information about the results you want. We have that set to OR, and then we have Leaves of Grass, which is one of Walt Whitman's books. This means we'll get search results on Walt Whitman or on Leaves of Grass, which gives us more search result options. From there, we will go down into the Limit Your Results section. This handy dandy box right here, linked full text, is great if you need information in a hurry, but you might miss out on some great resources if you do check that box, because you will only get search results that have access to the entire text laid out. We are going to jump over to the publication date box here on the right, and we're going to put our start year as 2011. A lot of times in academic work, you're looking at recent publications, so we're limiting this search to the last 10 years. Because I am tragically monolingual, we are going to choose only English search results, and we will also go ahead and choose scholarly peer-reviewed journals. Scholarly journals are typically regarded in academia as more credible than a non-peer-reviewed journal, so this is especially important if you're searching for journal articles. A few of the options we're not going to use for this particular search, like I said, linked full text. We're also not going to limit by publication type, but if you know you need a journal article, that's a really great tool. We're going to go ahead and come down to this search button here, click that button, and run our search. You can see that a typical search result from our EBSCO database is going to look kind of like a mashup between your traditional search engine and an online shopping website. Up here at the top, you can see your search history, and you can always go back and view the results from any previous search you've done within the session. Your results, just like in a typical search engine, are laid out here in the middle. And then on the left, you can edit your filters at any point you want, and those results will change. It will give you another search up here at the top. This was just a very, very brief explanation of how running advanced searches works in these databases. But once you've kind of gotten familiar with one EBSCOhost database, you'll be able to use any of the EBSCOhost databases that your institution has available. Thank you so much for watching.